Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Colleen and this is Pixie Sparkles. That's Pixie. Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we have a very special unboxing, or two. These are pressed and placed. Spring Bicycle Ride by Kokoa, and the second one is by the same artist, Family Bubble Bath. Let me just take it out of the bag. This is the toolkit. It is your generic toolkit. I will open it once because this is my first pressed and placed unboxing. Tweezers. This appears to be a 6 or 7 placer. We also have the pen with the squishy. This has the single placer, and then you would put the multi-placer at the end of it and the squishy on it. Here we get a piece of wax. Cute duck. Washi tape with stars. Very cute. The canvas and the drills. The canvas is very thick. It has a nice feel to it. Let me just roll it. This is absolutely adorable. The symbols are really clear. Let me zoom in for you so you can see they're very clear. Spring Bicycle Ride by Kokoa. And it has 40 colors, 5 AB, and 3 fairy dust, the highlighted yellows there. And here are the stickers that you can put in your logbook, and then you use these to kit up. Here are the drills, the color palette, nice pastel colors, and they're individually bagged. It is a square kit, 24 inches by 28 inches, or 61 by 71 centimeters. Let's open the other one. Oh, look at the puppies taking a bath. The color palette is very much the same as the other one. Hold on, I'm gonna roll this. Family Bubble Bath by Kokoa. It is 24 inches by 27 inches, or 61 by 68 centimeters. 37 colors. It is also a square drill kit. Here are the stickers. 2 AB, 4 fairy dust, and 1 YG. Here's the color palette. It looks like that YG. Can you see that there? I'm pretty sure it's like that gel. Yeah, because there's the AB and there's the jelly. So that's what the Y is. We'll take a closer look at their drills. And this is a section that I started working on right away. So it is currently an existing whip. I have thoroughly enjoyed this. I love this canvas and the drills. I will most definitely purchase from Pressed and Placed again. Outstanding, so sparkly. These are square drills. And I absolutely love working with these drills. I don't know how many facets are on them. Look at the sparkle. Ooh, it's so pretty. And it's the shape. There's just something about these square drills I absolutely love. They're definitely in second place to Diamond Art Club. Now, then Field Art, but I haven't received Mystical Dream Diamonds yet. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I will see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.